Hello everyone, how are you? For me, I'm fine. Today we will learn the 10 animals' names. How many animals' names do you know? Okay, let's learn all together. Do you know what is this animal name? It is elephant. It is elephant. Elephant, the largest land animal, known for its intelligence, strong social bonds and long trunk, which it uses for foraging, drinking and communicating. Do you know what is this animal name? Cheetah. Cheetah. Cheetah, the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour. It has a slender body, long legs, and distinctive black spots, which help with camouflage in grasslands. Do you know what is this animal name? Blue whale. Blue whale. Blue whale, the largest animal on the planet, measuring up to 100 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons. They are gentle giants that primarily feed on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Do you know what is this animal name? Panda. Panda. Panda, a large bear native to China, known for its black and white fur and a diet mainly consisting of bamboo. They are often considered a symbol of wildlife conservation. Do you know what is this animal name? Red fox. Red fox. Red fox, a small, adaptable mammal with a bushy tail and pointed ears, known for its cunning behavior. They are often found in various habitats and have a diverse diet. Do you know what is this animal name? Great white shark. Great white shark. Great white shark, a powerful predator known for its size and sharp teeth. Great whites are found in coastal waters and are important for maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Do you know what is this animal name? Snowy owl. Snowy owl. Snowy owl, a striking white bird with yellow eyes, native to the Arctic regions. They are known for their silent flight and are excellent hunters, primarily preying on small mammals. Do you know what is this animal name? Sloth. Sloth. Sloth, a slow-moving mammal that spends most of its life hanging upside down in trees. Known for their lethargic lifestyle, sloths have a unique adaptation to a low-energy diet of leaves. Do you know what is this animal name? Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard found on a few Indonesian islands. Known for its impressive size and venomous bite, it is a powerful predator in its ecosystem. Do you know what is this animal name? Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin, highly intelligent marine mammals known for their playful behavior and complex social structures. Dolphins communicate using a variety of sounds and are often seen riding the waves. Thank you for your watching in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to get more video. Bye-bye.